robust airframe. Modifications to the 737-800 airframe include installing a large cargo door, a cargo handling system, and additional accommodations for non-flying crew or passengers. The aircraft is designed to fly up to 1,995 mi, 3,695 kilometers, 2,296 mi, at a tow of 174,100 pound, 79,000 kilograms. 737-800 SF, edit. In 2015, Boeing launched the 737-800 SF passenger-to-freighter conversion program with Aeronautical Engineers Inc., AEI. The conversion can be completed by AEI or third parties such as HECO. JCAS was the initial customer. It has a 52,800 pound, 23,900 kilograms, payload capacity, and a range of 2,000 nautical miles, 3,700 kilometers, 2,300 mi. It received its supplemental type certificate from the FAA in early 2019. In March 2019, the first AEI converted aircraft was delivered to Ethiopian Airlines on lease from JCAS. The Civil Aviation Administration of China cleared it in January 2020. Aircraft lessor Macquarie Air Finance ordered 4 737-800 SFs in March 2021. 737-900, edit. Boeing later introduced the 737-900, an even longer variant stretched to 138 feet 2 in, 42.11 m. Because the 900 retains the same exit configuration of the -800, seating capacity is limited to 189, although aircraft equipped with a typical two-class layout will seat approximately 177. The 737-900 also retains the tow and fuel capacity of the 800, trading range for payload. Alaska Airlines launched the 737-900 in 1997. The 737-900 made its first flight on the 3rd of August, 2000, and Alaska Airlines accepted the delivery on the 15th of May, 2001. The type proved unpopular, with only 52 delivered, before being replaced by the improved 737-900. 737-900, edit. The 737-900 extended range, which was called the 737-900X before launch, was the final and largest variant of the Boeing 737 line. It was introduced to fill the range and passenger capacity gap in Boeing's product offerings after the 757-200 was discontinued, address the shortcomings of the 737-900, and to directly compete with the Airbus A321. Up to 2 auxiliary fuel tanks in the cargo hold and standard winglets improved the range of the stretched jet to that of other 737 variants, while an additional pair of exit doors and a flat rear pressure bulkhead increased maximum seating capacity to 220 passengers. Airlines may deactivate, plug, the additional exit doors if the total configured capacity of the plane is 189 passengers or less. The first 737-900 was rolled out of the Renton, Washington, factory on the 8th of August, 2006, for its launch customer, Lion Air, an Indonesian low-cost airline. The airline received this aircraft on the 27th of April, 2007, in a special dual paint scheme combining Lion Air's logo on the vertical stabilizer and Boeing's livery colors on the fuselage. A total of 505-900ers were delivered. Military models, edit. 1 Boeing 737 AW and C. The Boeing 737 AW and C is a 737-700 IGW roughly similar to the 737-700A. This is an airborne early warning and control AEW and C version of the 737 Australia was the first customer, as Project Wedgetail, followed by Turkey, South Korea, the United Kingdom, and the United States. 2 C-40 Clipper. The C-40 Clipper is a 737-700C used by the U.S. Navy as a replacement for the C-9B Skytrain II. The C-40B and C-40C are based on the BBJ, see below, and used by the U.S. Air Force for transport of generals and other senior leaders. 3 P-8 Poseidon. The P-8 is a 737-800ERX, extended range, that was selected by the U.S. Navy on the 14th of June, 2004, to replace the Lockheed P-3 Orion maritime patrol aircraft. The P-8 is unique in that it has 767-400 style raked wingtips instead of the blended winglets available on 737 variants. The P-8 is designated 737-800 by Boeing. Boeing Business Jet, edit. Main article, Boeing Business Jet. In the late 1980s, Boeing marketed the Boeing 77-33 jet, a business jet version of the 737-300. The name was short-lived. After the introduction of the next generation series, Boeing introduced the Boeing Business Jet, BBJ. The BBJ, retroactively referred to as the BBJ-1, was similar in dimensions to the 737-700 but had additional features, including stronger wings and landing gear from the 737-800, and has increased range, through the use of extra fuel tanks, over the other various 737 models. The first BBJ rolled out on the 11th of August, 1998, and flew for the first time on September the 4th. A total of 113 BBJ-1s were delivered to customers. On the 11th of October, 1999, Boeing launched the BBJ-2. Based on the 737-800, it is 19 feet 2 in, 5.84 m, longer than the BBJ-1, with 25% more cabin space and twice the baggage space, but with slightly reduced range. It is also fitted with auxiliary fuel tanks in the cargo hold and winglets. The first BBJ-2 was delivered on the 28th of February, 2001. A total of 23 BBJ-2s were delivered to customers. The BBJ-3 aircraft is based on the 737-900 aircraft. The BBJ-3 is approximately 16 feet, 4.9 m, longer than the BBJ-2 and has a slightly shorter range. 7 BBJ-3s were delivered to customers. Operators, edit. Main article, list of Boeing 737 operators. As of July 2018, 6,343 Boeing 737 next-generation aircraft were in commercial service. This comprised 69-600s, 1,027-700s, 4,764-800s and 513-900s. Orders and deliveries, edit. Aircraft orders deliveries. Model series total unfilled total 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016. 737 to 669, 69. 737 to 700 1128, 1128, 246. 737-700 C5, 5, 2. 737 to 800 4991 to 4989, 228 269 397 411. 737 to 952, 52. 737-900 505, 505, 2234 37 52. Commercial jets, 6,752 6,748, 250 305 438 471. 737-700 W14, 14. 737-800 191 13 178 19 12 16 14 17 18 17 18. C40 17, 17, 2, 1. C40B/C9, 9. Military jets, 231 13 218 19 12 16 14 19 18 17 19. BBJ 113, 113, 1, 1 1. BBJ 223, 23, 2. BBJ 37, 7. Business jets, 143, 143, 12, 11. 737 next gen, 7,124 15 7,109 19 13 18 16 70 324 455 490. Aircraft deliveries. Model Series 2015, 2014, 2013, 2012, 2011, 2010, 2009, 2008, 2007, 2006, 2005, 2004, 2003, 2002, 2001, 2019, 99, 1998, 1997. 737 to 600, 10 3 3 6 5 4 6 24 8. 737 to 700, 7 11 12 7 43 23 51 61 101 103 93 109 80 71 85 75 96 85 3. 737-700 C1, 2. 737 to 800 396 386 347 351 292 323 283 190 214 172 104 78 69 126 168 185 133 65. 737 to 900, 6 11 8 21. 737-900 73 70 67 44 24 15 28 39. Commercial jets, 476 467 426 402 359 361 362 282 334 278 206 199 165 209 282 284 237 153. 737-700 W, 22, 52111. 737-800 15 13 895 132. C40 2 1 2 1 2 2 1 3. C40B /C 1 1 2 2111. Military jets 15 15 8 9 7 5 5 2 1 8 2 3 3 4 2 4. BBJ 3152644457331 12 10 25 8. BBJ 2 212 2 1 21 325. BBJ 31 411. Business jets 43646 10 5 6 5 9 4 3 4 9 17 10 25 8. 737 next gen 495 485 440 415 372 376 372 290 330 302 212 202 173 223 299 280 278 166 3. Data as of February 2024. Accidents and incidents, edit. Main article, list of accidents and incidents involving the Boeing 737. The Boeing 737 Next Generation series has been involved in 22 hull loss accidents and 13 hijackings, for a total of 767 fatalities, according to the Aviation Safety Network, as of January 2020. An analysis by Boeing of commercial airplane accidents in the period 1959-2017 showed that the Next Generation series had a hull loss rate of 0.17 per million departures compared to 0.71 for the Classic series and 1.75 for the original series. The deadliest occurrence for a 737 is Ukraine International Airlines Flight 752 that was shot down after takeoff on the 8th of January, 2020, in Iran, killing all 176 passengers and crew. Specifications, edit. Boeing 737 characteristics. Variant 737 to 600, 737 to 700, 737 to 800, 737-900. Cockpit crew 2 class 108, 8F at 36 100Y at 32, 128, 8F at 36 120Y at 32, 160. 12F at 36 148Y at 32, 177, 12F at 36 165Y at 32. 1 class 123 at 32, 130 at 30, 140 at 32, 148 at 30, 175 at 32. 184 at 30, 177 at 32, 215 at 28. Exit limit 149, 189, 220. Seat width first, 22 in /56 centimeters, economy, 17 in /43 centimeters. Length 102 feet 6 in /31.24 m, 110 feet 4 in /33.63 m, 129 feet 6 in /39.47 m, 138 feet 2 in /42.11 m. Height 41 feet 3 in /12.57 m, 41 feet 2 in /12.55 m. Wingspan 112 feet 7 in /34.32 m, with winglets 117 feet 5 in /35.79 m, area 124.60 m, 1,341.2 square feet, sweep back 25 degrees, R 9.44. Fuselage width 12 feet 4 in, 3.76 m. Cabin width 11 feet 7 in, 3.53 m. Cabin height 86.6 in, 2.20 m. OEW 80,200 pound /36,378 kilograms, 83,000 pound /37,648 kilograms, 91,300 pound /41,413 kilograms, 98,495 pound /44,677 kilograms. To 144,500 pound /65,544 kilograms, 154,500 pound /70,080 kilograms, 174,200 pound /79,016 kilograms, 187,700 pound /85,139 kilograms. Fuel capacity 6,875 US gal /26,022 L 7,837 US gal /29,666 L. Lower deck cargo 720 foot cubed /20.4 m 966 foot cubed /27.4 m 1555 foot cubed /44.1 m 1826 foot cubed /51.7 m. Takeoff run 6,161 feet, 1,878 m, 6,699 feet, 2,042 m, 7,598 feet, 2,316 m, 9,800 feet, 3,000 m. Flight envelope 41,000 feet, 12,497 m, ceiling, Mach 0.82, 470 kn, 871 km per hour, MO. Cruise Mach 0.785, 453 kn, 838 km per hour, Mach 0.781, 450 kn, 834 km per hour, Mach 0.789, 455 kn, 842 km per hour, Mach 0.79, 455 kn, 844 km per hour. Range 3,235 mi, 5,991 km, 3,723 mi, 3,010 mi, 5,570 km, 3,460 mi, 2,935 mi, 5,436 km, 3,378 mi, 2,915 mi, 5,460 km, 3,390 mi. Engines, 2. CFM 56-7B 18 /20 /22 CFM 56-7B 20 /22 /24 /26 /27 CFM 56-7B 24 /26 /27. Thrust, 2. 20,00022,000 lbf. 8998 kn 20,00026,000 lbf. 89116 kn 24,00027,000 lbf. 110 120 kn 24,00027,000 lbf. 110 120 kn. Cruise maximum thrust 5,960 lbf, 26.5 kn, climb. Engine dimensions: fan tip diameter, 61 in, 155 centimeters, length, 103.50 in, 263 centimeters. Engine ground clearance 18 in /46 centimeters, 19 in /48 centimeters. ICAO type designator B736, B737, B738, B739. 1-2 auxiliary tanks. 2-2 sea level, ISA plus 20 degrees C. 3-110 passengers. 4-126 passengers. 5-162 passengers. 6-178 passengers. 7-35,000 feet Mach 0.8 ISA. See also, edit. 1 competition between Airbus and Boeing. Related development. 1 Boeing 737. 2 Boeing 737 AEW and C. 3 Boeing 737 Classic. 4 Boeing 737 MAX. 5 Boeing Business Jet. 6 Boeing C-40 Clipper. 7 Boeing P-8 Poseidon. 8 Boeing T-43. Aircraft of comparable role, configuration, and era. 1 Airbus A320 family. 2 Boeing 717. 3 Boeing 757. 4 Airbus A220 / Bombardier C Series. 5 Comac C919. 6 Embraer 195. 7 McDonnell Douglas MD-90. Related lists. 1 List of aircraft. References, edit.